Hello students. Now page number 78. Here is we have to identify whether these shapes, given shapes turn after half turn look the same or not. Suppose first one is our square. Now look here. Here is one square. You have to identify whether this square after half turn does it look the same. So students, let's see. Here suppose I put a, we don't know which part is upper one. Suppose I put a dot here. Now I will turn it half. This is, if I turn it half, it will come down. Here, this from here to here, it comes down. This is a half turn. Half turn. Does it look the same which we had seen at the beginning? Yes. So, it is same. Now look at our second figure, that is rectangle. Students, if you do not understand whether the half turn is same or not, you draw the outline of the given shape. Suppose I will draw the outline of this shape, this rectangle. Then I will turn this shape and see whether it looks same or not. Look here. I had drawn the outline of this shape. Now if I have to turn it half, if I keep here dot, now how I will get turn half? This like here, this is 1/4 and this is half. This dot was up and after half turn it comes down. Does it look the same? Yes. So this also looks the same after a half turn. Now look at our third shape. It is circle. Here also I will put a dot and I will turn whether it comes after taking a half turn, means it comes here. Let me see. When I rotate this circle half a turn, means this dot will come down. Does this shape have any change? No. Means this shape can also looks the same after half turn. Now our next shape is triangle. Now look here. In the triangle, we will see whether it looks half or not. Here is our triangle. Let me draw the outline of the triangle first of all, so that you will not get confused. This is a way to see whether the shape is half or not. It shows the half turn or not. See, here I had drawn the outline of this triangle. Okay, this is our upper. Now I will turn it half. Means this point, upper one, will come down. Look here. Does it fix in this shape in the outline? Does this shape fits in these outlines? No. Means it is not seen same after a half turn. So this triangle does not look the same after a half turn. Now our next shape is this. It is hexagon. Why it is called hexagon? Because it has 6 line segments. This shape is made up of 6 line segments. So this shape is called hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have to see whether this shape can look the same after a half turn? Again, I will draw the outline of this shape. Students, you can remember by this that whether this shape looks the same after a half turn. Now look here, this is our upper part. When I move these two, half turn means lower side. Does it fits in these outlines? Yes, means this shape shows the same. It looks the same after a half turn. Now one more shape is there. This shape is called pentagon. Why it is called pentagon? Because it has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now let us draw the outline of this shape. After drawing the outline, we will see whether it looks the same after a half turn or not. So like this way, students, you can identify. Look here. Here I'll put a dot at the upper part. Now I have to turn it half part. Look here. Here is a 1/4 part and here is a half part. Now let us see whether this figure, this shape fits in the outlines. No. Does it fit? See, here is a gap. So it is also not possible. Means this figure pentagon does not look same after a half turn. So students, in your textbook you have to see that this turn looks same after half turn. This shape also looks same after half turn. Circle also looks same after half turn. Is also same. But triangle we had seen just now, it is not possible. Hexagon also is possible after half turn. Pentagon is not possible. So here this 5th and 6th picture does not show half turn and does not look same after half turn. Thank you.